Hi guys, today I'm going to show you something about RESTful web services. So generally what is web service? So web service, they are the means to exchange data between a client and a server. So let's say we have a software A and software B. So let's say if software A wants to get some data from software B, then how can it be done? Yes, it can be done from web services. If like software B allows information to be shared to software A, then of course software A can easily get that data. So there is one web service nowadays which is very famous, and it's like a RESTful web service. So RESTful web services, they are very simple because everything is like based on HTTP protocol. So the means of communication is very simple. So let's go into the quick demo. I'm not gonna go into the theory. You can like see, um, you can get some like theoretical knowledge from any textbook or maybe from the net, from the web. So what I've done is, I have created one package called user API. So what this user API does is it pulls out, any like customer information. So let's say in a bank, we want to like pull out the information of a customer. There might be like several customers. So let's say we want to pull out information of each and every customer, like username, password, email, first name, last name, etc. So user API is the like project that I have created, and in the pom.xml file for the JAX-RS or Jersey. What is JAX-RS? So RESTful web services, they can be implemented through a library which is called JAX-RS. So to implement JAX-RS in your program, you have to just add some dependencies on pom.xml. So this one Jersey version, Jersey/BOM is one of the dependency that you have to add. And for the Java object to JSON conversion, you have to use Jersey/media/moxie. So these are the only dependencies that you need for RESTful web services. So everything is on like JAX-RS client, JAX-RS. So let's begin. So I have created one model class. So this class is account. Let's say this is the account for the customer. So this contains username, password, email, first name, last name, etc. So what I do is I created one service class. This is a very simple program. This is just for demonstration. Please do not use this code on production. So I have created one list of account uh, to get all the like message, like one get our message is one function. So what I am doing is I'm going to pull out information from two customers. So I'm creating two objects here. One is account 1 and one is account 2. So in account 1, I'm putting all the like information that we get from this model class. This is a very simple program. Again, I want to tell you. So we created two objects, and on the list we added the two objects, and we return that list again. So it's pretty simple till now. Just we created one model class, and then we have one service class which in which we created a list. So now we have the message resource class. So just to remind you, in RESTful web services, everything or every method is treated as a resource. So from here again we have a dependency user service inside this class. So we're gonna return that user service to retrieve all the messages. So whenever a client client wants to retrieve the data, he has to use this path annotation. If he uses this path, then he gonna get those data. So we generally, this is the very basic. We have used very least amount of annotation, just add get and add produces. This produce JSON data type. So you can also get like data in XML or maybe in plain text. So there's nothing much to do. So let's see what is the output of this program. So I'm gonna run on my Tomcat. Okay, on localhost, go next, finish. So if I give users, this is the path that we implemented, here in the message resource, if you can see /users. So this is gonna give me all the data. Okay, this is the beautiful JSON produced from JAX-RS. So if you want to test this for the better output, you can go to a Postman client. Postman is used to test your RESTful web services. Is the simplest client. You can easily download and download from Google Chrome. All right, so this is the data that I have produced from RESTful web services. So guys, I'm gonna start RESTful web services in details in the next tutorial. Please like or subscribe if you want. If you wanna have more tutorials, and please just comment below so that I can have some interaction with you. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.